Does the quality of engine oil matter? You have a lot of options when it comes to the type of engine oil to use in your car. Given that some are much more expensive than others, it's easy to wonder, does the quality of motor oil matter? We will. If your engine is the heart of your car, and engine oil is the blood, we can all agree that the lifeblood of your engine is important. The quality of engine oil is no different. It definitely makes a difference, and if you want your car to work and last, it is important to know the reason. Why is quality motor oil important? Motor oil quality matters for several reasons. One of the big ones is higher quality motor oil can save you money on repairs. How? Better oil means a lower likelihood of something going wrong, and if you have an oil-related failure, what goes wrong is often very expensive. If you have to replace your transmission or engine because you used cheap oil, you will lose the money you saved by not choosing a higher quality oil many times over. An engine with better oil will last longer. Your car, like all machines, has moving parts, and like all machines with moving parts, those parts wear down and need to get replaced. Friction is obviously the enemy. Quality oil keeps your engine internals lubricated better, which means they wear down much more slowly, giving you a longer car life. Better motor oil is also likely to improve performance, as all the parts of the engine can run more smoothly. This can mean a more responsive car and better fuel economy. There's a reason high-performance engines demand the best oil and top-tier performance oil additives. How does motor oil differ? The first difference you want to consider is viscosity. This refers to the numbers you see on motor oils such as 10W30 or 5W20. This number represents the oil's thickness or resistance to flow. Viscosity changes with temperature, so the first number is the viscosity in when starting the engine and the second in when the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. There is no objectively best viscosity or weight for your motor oil. You should use the motor oil viscosity your car's owner's manual recommends. The next question is the type of oil you should use. The base oil is mineral oil, which will lubricate your car, but is not treated so may contain many impurities that could build up and do damage. This is the cheapest type of motor oil. The other end of the spectrum is synthetic motor oil, which is specially treated to get rid of impurities and is a high-performance engine oil that is much better for your car. If you're looking for something higher quality than cheap mineral oil but not quite as expensive as synthetic oil, there are many synthetic blends you can use. These are less expensive than fully synthetic products. They won't hurt your car, but you might not fully get the performance you want. If you have gone through the expense and trouble of buying a high-performance vehicle, you should utilize fully synthetic oil and oil additives. Finally, there is high mileage oil, which is synthetic oil specially designed for cars with a lot of miles on them. It contains special additives to help preserve and extend the life of this kind of car. Most experts recommend any vehicle with over 75,000 miles on it get treated with high mileage motor oil. Your particular vehicle may also have distinct oil specifications that represent certain qualities the manufacturer wants your car's oil to have. You should find these specifications in your owner's manual and match them with the specifications listed on the label of your motor oil product.